cream bar back again. Winner narration video 2. Miss Banks back it up. I don't know what that song is all about, but I know that Miss Banks, she's a very talented UK female rapper. You see me? Very, very talented, bro. She's full of talent. So I'm gonna check out this and see what I'm going to feed. Begin now.
Breast and back look healthy, they smell Eve, finna take a young selfie. Baby loving the kid, talking like their own beef, they ain't touching the chair, killing everything. You can tell the judge I did it. The ball's in your pool, but you still can't hit it. Oh.
I tell a good story. I'm not tell a lie. Not a lie. Miss Banks is a sexy piece of woman, bro. Sexy piece of woman, bro. I'm not telling no lie. Real black queen, yo. The real thick black queen. Talented black queen. I must say I want to take it because I don't want to get trapped. You ever say ever give me one time I don't want to leave. I say I got trapped, bro. I don't want to be trapped, bro. Come on.
Do you think of me? When the lights get low, you're at home, is it real, baby? I don't know what you done, is it fun? You made me crazy. When I'm hurt, is it worth all the dirt that you did, baby? We'll see.
Yo,
Yo,
yo, she look good now, bro. Oh, yo, she look good as fuck. Not that she look good, dog. Yo, full of talent, beautiful, sexy as hell, everything, bro.
If it isn't enough, we'll put up with it just cause I'm lonely. At the peak of the night, hold me tight and push up on me slowly. You know you can control me.
Damn.
Hear you say, back it up on me. Loving you, I never your body. If I give it to you one time, you won't leave. I know what you want, give me what I need. I will give you what you need if you want it. Body like a trophy, go to shape is iconic. Titties, gal.
What on, white boy, what you say? What on there? You must think that fucking somebody. Must that pre the title, you know? What on there?
One time, you won't leave.
Say what white boy I did.
I know what you want, give me what I need. I will give you what you need if you want it. Body like a trophy, go to shape is iconic. Titties, gal, I want me, you, but chat about you, ironic. You got me, baby, I ain't never running from you, no way. Do I think of you? Do I think of you? Of course I do. When I see you, I get 4 of you. It's more than peachy, it's more than fruit. How about we go on cocktail trips? Do some top skill shit. I cannot feel this. The way you looking at me, it's a lot I miss. Don't stop, I wish we could
Yo,
shit together.
boy a bad man.
It's all on me tonight. I'm all on you for life. Ring around.
But dog, I don't feel you can't manage that still, you see me? I don't feel you can't manage that, my dog, my dudes. I feel you can't manage that, dog.
I hear you say, back it up on me. Loving you, I never your
Say, man.
If I
You want to figure now, when you look at it, you can't look at it, you have nothing man at the bottom, but she have something, you see me? Kind of weird, like she have skin color, kind of match her skin color, but she have something, you see me? Oh, man, look at that, I said that, oh, wow, yo.
time you
Yeah, man, fine as hell, bro.
what you want, give me what I need. Back it up on me. Loving you, I never your body. If I give it to you.
Yo, she back it up on problem with the heaven right away. Problem say heaven. Like literally, problem say heaven right away. Like every gate open up and say, oh God, take me right now. Take me.
One time, you won't leave. I know what you want. Give me what I need.
Final hell, bro. Full of talent. Yo. Black Queen them are the best, man, you see me? But hey guys, that's the end of the reaction video to Miss Banks. One of the best female rapper out of the UK. Miss that. She's one of the best, bro. I'm not telling you lie. But anyway guys, that's the end of the reaction video. Enough love. Peace. Out.